I bet you didn't know how a simple habit can transform your life. When I was a child, my grandmother always emphasized the importance of cleanliness. She would often tell me, "Cleanliness is next to godliness." One summer, I decided to ignore her advice. I spent my days playing in the dirt and skipping baths. Eventually, I developed a nasty rash that kept me bedridden for a week. Even today, I remember that week vividly. From then on, I made a conscious effort to maintain good hygiene. My grandmother's wisdom has stayed with me throughout the years. Hygiene is more than just being clean. It's about taking care of yourself.
Hygiene plays a crucial role in maintaining physical health. Regular hand washing, bathing, and dental care are essential practices. These actions can prevent many illnesses. Hand washing removes germs that cause diseases like the flu. Dental hygiene prevents tooth decay and gum disease. Oral health is essential for overall well-being. Good hygiene prevents skin infections and other conditions. Regular bathing removes sweat and dirt, preventing acne. Maintaining good hygiene protects your body from diseases. Good hygiene is a powerful tool in disease prevention. Many infectious diseases spread through direct contact or contaminated surfaces. Hand washing is one of the most effective ways to prevent the spread of germs. Hand sanitizers are useful when soap and water are not available. Covering your mouth and nose when you cough or sneeze prevents respiratory infections. Good hygiene also prevents foodborne illnesses.
Hygiene doesn't just affect physical health, it also has a significant impact on mental well-being. Feeling clean and fresh can boost your mood and self-esteem. When you take care of your body, you feel more confident and capable. Mental well-being is closely linked to physical health. When you're physically healthy, you're more likely to feel good mentally. Good hygiene practices can contribute to this sense of well-being. For example, a warm shower can be a relaxing and rejuvenating experience. Moreover, good hygiene can reduce anxiety and stress. Knowing that you are clean and presentable can alleviate worries about how others perceive you. It's a simple way to boost your mental health and improve your quality of life. Incorporating hygiene into your daily routine can be a form of self-care. It's a way to show yourself love and respect. Taking time to groom yourself and maintain cleanliness can have a positive impact on your mental state.
Hygiene plays a vital role in social relationships. How you present yourself can affect how others perceive you. Good hygiene can make you more approachable and pleasant to be around. Bad hygiene, on the other hand, can create social barriers. It can lead to embarrassment and social isolation. People may avoid interacting with you if you have poor hygiene. This can negatively impact your relationships and social life. Good hygiene is also important in romantic relationships. Being clean and well-groomed shows that you care about your partner and your relationship. It can enhance intimacy and strengthen your bond. In professional settings, good hygiene is crucial. It can affect your career prospects and workplace relationships. Being well-groomed and presentable can create a positive impression on colleagues and employers.
Maintaining good personal hygiene is simple with a few practical tips. Begin with a daily routine of bathing and brushing your teeth. Use soap and shampoo to cleanse your body and hair thoroughly. Hand hygiene is crucial. Wash your hands frequently with soap and water, especially before meals and after using the restroom. Carry hand sanitizer for situations when soap and water are unavailable. Pay attention to your nails. Keep them trimmed and clean to prevent dirt and germs from building up. Use a nail brush to scrub under your nails while washing your hands. Finally, wear clean clothes and change them regularly. Dirty clothes can harbor bacteria and cause body odor. Washing your clothes regularly keeps them fresh and hygienic.
Section 9. Home hygiene, keeping your space clean. Home hygiene is just as important as personal hygiene. A clean home can create a healthy and comfortable living environment. Start with regular cleaning routines such as dusting, vacuuming, and mopping. Pay special attention to high-touch surfaces like doorknobs, light switches, and countertops. These areas can harbor germs and should be cleaned frequently. Use disinfectant wipes or sprays to keep them germ-free. Kitchen hygiene is also crucial. Wash dishes promptly and keep your kitchen counters clean. Store food properly to prevent contamination and foodborne illnesses. Don't forget about your bathroom. Clean the toilet, sink, and shower regularly to prevent mold and bacteria buildup. Use bathroom cleaners and disinfectants to keep these areas sparkling clean.
Maintaining hygiene in public places is essential for preventing the spread of diseases. When you're out and about, be mindful of your hygiene practices. Use public restrooms responsibly and wash your hands thoroughly afterward. Carry hand sanitizer and use it after touching public surfaces, like door handles and elevator buttons. Avoid touching your face, especially your eyes, nose and mouth, with unwashed hands. Practice respiratory hygiene by covering your mouth and nose when you cough or sneeze. Dispose of tissues properly and wash your hands immediately. In shared spaces like gyms and public transport, be considerate of others. Wipe down equipment after use and maintain personal space to reduce the risk of spreading germs.
Teaching children about hygiene is crucial for their health and development. Start by setting a good example. Children learn by observing, so practice good hygiene yourself. Make hygiene fun and engaging for kids. Use colorful soaps and toothbrushes to make the experience enjoyable. Sing songs or create games to encourage regular hand washing and brushing. Educate children about the importance of hygiene in simple terms. Explain how germs spread and how good hygiene can keep them healthy. Use stories and visuals to make the concepts easier to understand. Encourage children to take responsibility for their hygiene. Teach them to wash their hands, brush their teeth, and keep their nails clean. Praise and reward them for good hygiene practices to reinforce positive behavior.
Hygiene is a powerful tool that can transform your life. It's not just about being clean, it's about taking care of yourself and those around you. Good hygiene practices can improve your health, boost your confidence, and enhance your relationships. Incorporating hygiene into your daily routine is a simple yet effective way to improve your quality of life. It's an act of self-respect and consideration for others. By prioritizing hygiene, you can prevent diseases and create a positive impact on your physical and mental well-being. Remember, hygiene is an ongoing practice. It requires consistency and effort, but the benefits are well worth it. Make hygiene a priority in your life and encourage others to do the same. Together, we can create a healthier and happier world. Let's embrace the unspoken power of hygiene and transform our lives for the better.